Is Chime a bank? You've probably heard the name thrown around, maybe seen their ads, or even considered switching to them. But have you ever stopped to wonder if Chime is actually a bank? Or is it something else entirely? Let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, this is a stupid question. Of course, it's a bank. I can deposit money, withdraw money, send money. What else does a bank do? And you're not wrong. Chime does offer a lot of the same services as a traditional bank. You can open a checking account, get a debit card, send money to friends, and even build credit. So, it seems pretty bank-like, right? But here's the twist. Chime isn't actually a bank. It's what's called a fintech company, which stands for financial technology. It's a fancy way of saying they use technology to offer banking services without actually being a bank. So, how does that work? Well, Chime partners with actual banks. They have partnerships with the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank, which are both FDIC insured. That means your money is safe, just like it would be if you had an account with a traditional bank. Chime basically acts as the middleman, providing the user-friendly interface and features you love, while the partner banks handle the actual banking stuff like holding your money and processing transactions. So, why would Chime do it this way? Well, there are a few reasons. First, it allows them to focus on innovation and user experience. They can build cool features like early direct deposit and fee-free overdrafts without worrying about the complex regulations that traditional banks have to deal with. Second, it helps them keep costs low. Since they don't have to maintain physical branches or a large staff, they can pass those savings on to you in the form of lower fees and better interest rates. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Being a fintech company also has its downsides. For example, you might not have access to the same level of customer service as you would with a traditional bank. And if you ever have a dispute, it can be more complicated to resolve because you're dealing with two different companies. So, is Chime right for you? Well, that depends on your priorities. If you value a user-friendly experience, low fees, and access to innovative features, then Chime could be a great option. But if you prefer the personal touch of a traditional bank or need access to a physical branch, then Chime might not be the best fit. Ultimately, the decision is up to you. But now you have a better understanding of what Chime is and how it works. So, the next time someone asks you if Chime is a bank, you can confidently say, it's a fintech company that partners with banks to offer banking services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.